What's up guys, it's AussieHippo here in Brisbane, Australia. You may have been seeing a lot of Chinese cooking tutorial on YouTube like this.
把锅烧热，锅烧热之后加入小宽油。
Or like that.
我留了一个没有切的放在中间，这样。
Okay, in real life, do you really have that jack fire in your house? Or you want to spend your hard-earning money on this stuff that you don't even know the name? So, in my channel, I try to show you how you can cook Chinese cuisine in a really simple way by using all the equipment you can find in your kitchen. Imagine it's Thursday evening and you just have a big day. Your wife went home after her gym session. Now she's yelling at you that she is really starving. From the title, you may already know we're gonna cook instant noodle today. It's a good stuff, enough to feed your whole family in just 15 minutes. Right, let's scratch your fridge. You may find a can of meat, whatever is a ham, a fish, a can of tuna, it doesn't matter. And you will have some eggs, and most importantly, you may find a bag of frozen veggies. As promised in the earlier video, we talked about that we're gonna use stuff that you can find in your kitchen. So today we have an electric stove, a pan, and a cooking shovel, and that's it. Right, we're gonna now cutting some hams from our cans. That depends on how many serves that you're gonna make today. Now put some oil in your pan. It doesn't matter what sort of oil. You can have a peanut oil, olive oil, anything. And we just gotta wait until you see a slightly smoke from your pan. Take it out from the pan and just leave it as it is, adding some boiled water in there. Just make sure you have sufficient water in your pan, otherwise it can't overtop the noodles. Putting our frozen veggies. Now, a lot of people get this wrong with instant noodle. They probably put all this stuff into one bowl and fill up with water and put in the microwave and for a couple minutes. There's nothing wrong with this, but the taste will really be ruined. So the best way to cook an instant noodle is to cook the noodle and the soup separately. I'm guaranteed this will bring the instant noodle to the second level, same as you taste in the ramen restaurant. Now we have a boiled water with vegetables. Now we just simply put our instant noodle into it. And don't forget if you find a dry vegetables in the package. When you're cooking the noodle, when you see they're separate from each other, it's now the time you put in the eggs. So at this stage, you may able to put your egg in the middle of your noodle so the egg not just fall down to the bottom of the pan and get really sticky after all. So when you see the noodle is getting fat, and all the water is strongly boiling, and that's the moment you gotta turn off the stove. Put in a sieve and filter all the noodle and the veggies. Don't clean up your pan at this stage because we want to keep all our workload as minimum as we could. Fill up some water, not that much, just covered your bottom of your pan. At the final stage of this cooking, just put all your prepared spicy into that water. When you see the bubble is boiling, that you are ready. So that's what I'm gonna show you today is a perfect home cooking instant noodle within 15 minutes. And you can feed your wife very well. What we're saying is happy wife, happy life. Alright, if you like my channel, please subscribe and follow us. We will have more down-to-earth Chinese cooking tutorial. We'll see you next time.